the coffee prices are not exactly hot. I think they've fallen to what, 17-month lows, if I'm not wrong, in London. 17-month lows in London. And now there are companies which don't benefit. There are companies which benefit. For CCL products, just to get a sense of really where coffee prices are headed as well, as also how does it impact them, because I think they are essentially into value addition, so it probably benefits them that the prices have fallen so much. C. Rajendra Prasad, CMD of CCL Products, joins us on the phone line to talk about this. Mr. Prasad, good having you. Thanks much for joining in. Now, before we come to how it benefits you as a company, just one word really on where do you see coffee prices headed, because we hear that coffee prices in London have fallen to 17-month lows.
That's true. They should stabilize maybe in maximum 2 to 3 weeks, but it will not go up immediately, because as far as ICO is concerned, ICO has just mentioned that there is almost 30% more coffee grown in Vietnam and Indonesia. This itself should be, a situation where the coffee prices should be low only, it will not go up. There is an additional production coming this year till September 13.
Right, but can prices go further lower from here?
It should be around 1700, that's what, is expected. And it will not go below also, because there is always a supply-demand. Coffee is something which always takes a technical correction once in a while, but comes back again. And if you see the whole worldwide currencies also, there has been a lot of abbreviations. So we feel that 1700 should be the correct price now.
So, Mr. Prasad, just wondering, for how long do you believe these prices would stay at these levels? For the next 6 months, you believe is a good estimate?
Yes, that's right. 6 months should be, because next year, again in 2014, they are expecting a low crops in these markets. Because especially in Vietnam is expected to remove some of the old plants and do the replantation. Then the production will come down for, 2-3 years. So this will be there for the whole of this year and till December. Then from next year, when 2014, there will be shortage and, it will level out.
Right. How will your margins get benefited with this move, however?
See, normally what we do is back to back when we do the coffee prices, always there will be small incremental sales will happen when the coffee prices are low. So the consumer, what we do is whenever we buy coffee, we immediately do, but there will always be some leverage when the coffee prices go low.
Yeah, so can you quantify that is what I think Tanvir was trying to figure out. How much would your margins benefit?
We should be easily benefit by about 7-8%.
Great. Okay, Mr. Prasad, good for you, and thanks so much for joining in and giving us that perspective, more importantly on coffee pricing.